Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. I'm here with a 25 Christmas countdown craft along with my crafty styles. And today we are doing ATC card Christmas favorite movie list. It is December 21st. So I want to get this off Google, just a little itty bitty checklist. And on top it says Christmas movies. So we're going to use that. Got some paper. I got some little sticker pads sitting here. You never know. And here's my cards. So let's get started. Almost to the end, guys. Wow. Hard to believe, isn't it? So, let's see. Let's see what I want. I think I'm going to try to find pieces in here. Like, there we go. You know, little pieces that I can work with. Ooh. Alright, cover both sides. Fold it. Let's see. I go in the middle and I fold it over. Fold it over. There we go. Found my piece. Ain't that easy. Boom. So, put this out of the way. Bring it back. And get my glue. These have been fun. I like doing these little everyday things. And lately, I've been having issues with my hands. Today is a good day. So, so these little things, little projects every day after I get up. Sometimes I'm up at 1 o'clock. Like right now, it's 12:48 a.m. And I'm doing this because I went to bed early. I started having some pain, so I got up, iced my hands. I'm constantly putting my hands in ice. And it's about 2 hours after I got up. Yeah, and I don't sleep well lately, so I get up, get settled a little bit, take some medication I have to take, and some cream I'm rubbing on them. It's like a pain. It's like icy hot for your hands. Is the best way I can describe it. It's supposed to help. It does a little. Most of the time it's the ice. I ice my hands. I fill my bathroom sink up with ice and cold water and sit there for a longest time. Then it starts going away. It's all nerves. So I'm looking forward to January 2nd to figure out why I'm having this issue with my hands. So I'm just going to trim the excess off the ends. There we go. Bam! So I've got this cute little list. But you know me. I need to do something to this. So let's glamour it. Back to my Christmas list. I know what I want. I know what I want to put on it. Let's find it. Where? Oh. Did I use it? I think I did. Maybe I used it. My mess. Oh, it's right here. Boom. It's my sequence. I like it. I don't have my glue gun ready. And I'm not going to waste time with my glue gun. So I'm just going to put this glue across. Maybe a little Fabri-Tac I probably work to hold this. Oh. If I can get it down. So put a little Fabri-Tac along with it too. There we go. I'll hold it. Let's start this end. It's better. Just put it down. Now, every year, oh, I'm not going to talk about that. We'll talk about that. I read what's the next day. So, yeah, I'll wait and talk about that. That's like the next tomorrow. That looks good. Boom, boom, boom. Again, I'm just gonna put some glue and the Fabri-Tac. This stuff always stinks. I don't like it, but it works good to hold fabric. You know, I lost oat cover. So, there we go. Now we're gonna stick this one down. There we go. Okay. Now, then the list will go like that. It's cute. All right. The list is tiny, and I don't write tiny, so it may not. I wrote a couple movies I love. I like the old school cartoons, like this one. Ready? Santa Claus. My all-time favorite. Don't believe me? Ask Diamond next time she's here. Santa Claus is coming to town. So I'm writing a little bit big, but it's cool. My next one, and we watch these every year, is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And then my next one is The Year Without Santa Claus. Those are my favorite. I have them on in VHS. I have them on DVDs. Yep. And I have them on, I think I have them on Blu-ray if I'm not mistaken. But there we go. That's Santa Claus is Coming Down, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and The Year Without Santa Claus are my ultimate favorite Christmas movies. I like the Wonderful Life too. But these are generally what I watch every year. Matter of fact, I just watched them last weekend, matter of fact. And we're going to kind of go like this. I'm going to slant it a little bit. Because I want to add a Santa Claus on there. And maybe a reindeer. I got a small one. So I got a tiny Santa Claus. I picked this because they're usually tiny. So I thought I saw a little reindeer on one of these. Oh, he's big. Yeah. Okay, let's check out this one. It might be in this one too. Little white reindeer. But he's not Rudolph. He's got a red nose though, but he's white. Why did they make him white? He needs to be brown. I could color him, but oh, we may use him. We'll see. So on this one, this is a planner one. I think I got this at the Dollar Tree, if I remember correctly, when they all came out. I know I got like three of them, or one time I gave them away. So I've been kind of forgot about it. Discovered it in the Christmas stickers, and it's staying out this year because it'll pass the Christmas and it's fall. It's a holiday one, and I'm like, damn. And who knows? I may get a happy planner this year. I used to love doing the planner. Tammy's been talking about planners. I'm like, man, I miss doing my planner, and this is actually a happy planner one. So I thought maybe I'd get some Christmas money and I'd get me a happy planner. So I could do that. Nope, not in here. All right. So we're going to go back to this. And I'm going to grab... Where do I see it? I think I'll just grab Santa's little face. Okay, go put him right there. Okay. Just sit there. And over to this pack. Let me find that little reindeer again. I know it's not. He's not brown. He's white. I don't know why they made him white. Put that right there. So I've been up, and these past few days, I've been getting up early. I go to sleep early, but then I wake up on clockwork, 12:30. Boom, I'm up. 11:30, I'm up. I can go to bed at 9 o'clock, and then I'm up. Right now, my hand's not helping. So I get up, soak my hands in ice water, and then I take some, and I'm not on a painkiller. I take some Tylenol, and I just sit there and let it, there's not much I can do. I just sit there and just in the zinc and wait for the Tylenol to kick in and then water, cold. Right now, not too bad. Calm down. But I've been up since about 10:30, 11 o'clock. After I went to bed at 9. So it's 1 o'clock in the morning. But there we go, guys. But in between, just once a month I'm up. I can't go back to bed. I tidied up my craft room again. Put a lot of stuff away. Realized that I'm going to have to go get the other Christmas tub because there's no way I can get my Christmas in one tub. Yep. Ain't happening. But, because you figure next week I ain't going to need my Christmas stuff. So I kind of got started organizing that. I went, yeah, I'm going to need the other one. But there's my ATC for today's theme. Come on, camera. Focus. Ooh. Let me see. So it's Santa Claus is Coming to Town, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and A Year Without Santa are my favorite Christmas movies. That was today's thing. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you go over and visit my Crafty Styles. Come on. All right. Just think, guys. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4 days until he comes, guys. 4 days. So, alrighty, guys. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Go check out my Crafty Styles. And bye for now, and Merry Christmas.